Okay, I want to show you a quick, easy way to get a consistent format for your entire paper. All right, you'll notice that this is not in, APA format because it is not in Times New Roman. So what you can do is you can set up your style. So I want Times New Roman to be my normal style. So I can just take a little piece of text. And I'm going to take a piece of text that's just more standardized, so like this, because it's a paragraph, and I'll show you why. And I'm going to change it to Times New Roman. I'm going to make sure my spacing is, whoop, I don't want bullets, I want double space. Okay, outline like this. And I also want to make sure that this paragraph, because I'm going to use this paragraph for a sample, I'm going to go to Format. I'm going to Line and Indent and Indentation Options. And I'm just going to make sure that the first line of this paragraph is set to be indented. I'm going to hit Apply. Now, what that will do, let's say that this one, we'll just do this for the sake of what we're doing. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to say I want the rest of my paper to look like this. Then I'm going to click this normal text, and then I'll go over here and I'll do update normal text to match. And now all of a sudden my place, or my entire paper that has normal text as being assigned, it changes that. And I can highlight the whole paper and I can assign normal text to the whole paper. And now everything I type will be in that standard format. Well, not everything should look like that, because like here, this shouldn't look like that. So I don't want this to apply for here. So I can just change it because it's supposed to be centered, but that's the right size font. Now if you go down here, this is a heading. So headings look a little different. Headings are going to be in bold, and your first heading is going to be 1. And rather than that, I'm going to select a level 1 heading and update to match. Now when you use headings, something cool happens over here. You see this navigation pane? This is the heading that I just put in there. Well, that being the first one, it's not that special. But if you go down here to my next heading, which is feudalism in the medieval times, right? I'm going to make that a level 2 heading. And level 2 should look like this. This is already set up. Where it is, this one's indented, so I don't want to indent it. So I want it not indented. So like there, right? And it's not indented, so I'm going to update heading 2 to match that. Okay. And there it is. And then I can go back, I can go down, and then as I write my paper, I can look for other headings, other level 2 headings. So a conclusion would be a level 2 heading. So I go here, normal text, heading 2. And then I can go, I thought there's one more in here. Format, feudalism, medieval times, and then there was one about the rise of feudalism, right? I just don't see it. Oh, evidence in neo-feudalism, right? So this is another level 1 heading. So I can click on that, go here, and I just do that. And so now I see my conclusions in the wrong spot. Well, maybe that's not the conclusion. I think the conclusion actually is down towards the bottom of the paper, which is here. So I go here, normal text, heading, level 2. and I don't want it to be bolded. It should look like that. Get the excess out. Now the cool thing about this is now I have a hyperlinked table of contents. So if I'm reading, I can go from here to here to here, okay? Which is cool because also, as I write, I can switch back and forth if I need to. And a level 3 heading right here. You can set this stuff for level 3 heading too. Yes. So then it looks like here, oh, hi. So feudalism, and then under that is this, right? Governing principles. I think this is another level 3 heading. So let's go here, level 3 heading, and there it is. So I know that feudalism, and do you see how the outline is really now serving to function as writing your paper, okay? And it also provides the headings that you're going to use for the ABA format and just organization. So that's it. It's just a quick tutorial about using headings.